Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Jest and React Native testing environment, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Check your Node.js version by typing node v. If it's not installed, visit the official Node.js website and download the latest version. Create a new React Native project using the command npx React Native and it your project name. Navigate into your project folder with cd your project name. Install Jest by running the command npm install save dev Jest. Next, install the React Native testing library with npm install save dev at testing library. Now, open the package.json file in your project directory. Locate the scripts section. Add a new script for testing by including test Jest to the scripts. Make sure your configuration for Jest is set up correctly. Create a new file named jest.config.js in the root of your project. In this file, configure Jest by adding module.exports equals preset React Native. Save the changes to the jest.config.js file. Next, create a test directory within the __tests _ folder of your project. Create a new test file named yourcomponentname.test.js inside the __tests _ folder. Import your component and the testing library at the top of this file. Write your test cases using the test or it function. Use the render method from @testing_library/React Native to render your component. Make assertions using the expect function to check for expected values. To run your tests, go back to your terminal. Execute the command npm test. Watch the output for the results of your tests. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your tests passing. Adjust your tests as necessary to ensure comprehensive coverage. Now your Jest and React Native testing environment is ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.